Hello, good morning. It is Friday. Black Friday just happened, or it's still happening. There's gonna be a lot of sales going on, so I gotta get to work. It's gonna be busy. I don't know if I'll be able to film, but we'll see. Okay, let's go. We are now heading to the mall. Take me out into the water. Okay, it is Sunday. I can finally film. I'm about to go into Goodwill. I have a few things that I want to get. I need scarves, gloves, and a jacket. I don't know about the jacket. We'll see. But I think I can find some scarves and maybe gloves. Yes, okay. So, scarves. Check. Jacket, no. Gloves, no. But the scarves, yes. I found these two cute ones, very colorful, and then this one for like underneath. So I'd wear both of those. And then I also found this like, I want to say necktie, scarf, or you could wear it in your hair. Yeah, either way, I'll find a use for it. I'm very happy. I didn't find a jacket, but that's okay. I'll have to look at another place. Maybe I'll go to H&M. Yeah, we'll see. So quick backstory. I went to this cafe back in 2018, 2019, and man, I fell in love. So I'm back. I've always wanted to come back to it. The parking out here is horrendous, crazy, but that's okay. I found a parking spot, so it's all good. But yeah, the cafe is called Songbird, and it's super cute. I think I'll just get an Americano because that's what I always do. Again, there's no plans today. It's just go with the flow. For now, let's go to the cafe. Did y'all see that? First of all, I was just trying to go to Songbird, and I just saw Antique in the corner of my eye, and I was like, oh, yeah, I gotta check it out, man. The way I fell in love with that blue dress. But anyways, we're back to going to Songbird. That was just a nice trip. I'll go back. They gave me a sticker, so I'll definitely have to go back. But I was driving on the highway and I saw sailboats on the river, so I have to go see it. I don't know, I just parked somewhere and now I gotta go see them. I have to.